Hi, this is Kavita Suresh Kumar, and in this video I am going to demonstrate how to create and delete Elastic Container Registry Repositories in AWS using the AWS CLI, that is the command line interface. Since we are going to create the ECR repositories using the CLI, I have opened the terminal. First we need to authenticate to AWS. Let's do that using the AWS configure. I'm going to use the default region. So we have successfully authenticated to AWS. Now let's go ahead and create the ECR repositories. AWS ECR create repository. We need to give the repository name. I'm going to give the name as with the namespace. I'm going to give the namespace is demo and the repository name is scenery. Okay, we have successfully created the ECR repository. We could see the repository ARN here and the repository name, what is going to be the repository URI, right? Tag, mutability. So all these information you will be able to see it here. Okay. Let's go and review this repository in the UI. I have logged into my AWS account. Click Elastic Container Registry. So here we could see it has created the private ECR repository and this is the repository name, right? And then here you'll be able to see the different commands for pushing an image to this repository. I'm just going to use them. Okay, so I'm just going to copy this. Okay, so we have successfully authenticated to the ECR repository. Okay, in this location, I have a simple Node.js application with the Docker file. Let's review the Docker file. Okay, so it is a Node.js application. It is going to copy the content from this folder and then it is going to do an npm install and the server is going to get exposed in the port 80. So what we are going to do is we are going to build an image. Okay, so Docker build st to provide the repository name. Okay, so the image is getting built and the image has been successfully built. So now what we are going to do is we need to tag the image and push it. Okay, so I am going to copy this tag command. I'm going to paste it here, right? So it is going to tag it. This is the image which we have created, demo scenery latest, which we are going to tag it using the repository information. Okay, so we have successfully tagged it. Now what we are going to do is we are going to push this image. Docker push. The image is getting pushed to the repository now. So the image has been successfully pushed to the repository. Let's go and review that in the UI. Close it. Click refresh. So we could see the image here. Okay, so this is the image which we have pushed. So now what we are going to do is we are going to delete this repository using the CLI. Okay, AWS ECR delete repository. We need to provide the repository name. Okay, so which is going to be demo scenery. Okay, then I'm going to specify the option force delete even the content of the repository. Okay, so we could see now the repository has been successfully deleted with the images in it. So let's go and review in the UI. Okay, so the repository has been successfully deleted. In this demo, we have seen how to create and delete Elastic Container Registry Repositories in AWS using the AWS CLI. Also, we have seen how to push an image to the repository. If you like this demo, please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching the demo.